Hi and welcome to another episode of Making Things. This is just a little montage from a blacksmithing course I took with some friends. I just wanted to take the time to thank the instructor from Van's Blacksmithing, and I'm going to put some information down there if there's something that you find kind of cool and it's in your area, or if there's a blacksmith giving classes in your area, by all means do it. This was an amazing experience. And for those who are curious, the steps are pretty straightforward. Take a block, heat it, split it, widen the gap, flatten it, and then sharpen the edge. But as easy as that might sound, it still took us something like 6 hours. So enjoy. And there you have it, the fruits of our labors. Now all that's left to do is make some handles and try not to chop our hands off.